Seiko Corporation, based in Shizuoka, Japan, designs and manufactures packaging machines, including liquid filling machines. We meet a variety of needs, from high-speed production to small batch production of diverse products. Our filling and capping machines are highly regarded in the market for quality and productivity. Generally, there are various processes before and after the filling and capping machine, such as container supply, labeling, and case packaging, which together form a packaging line that includes the transportation of containers. Packaging lines vary depending on the factory layout, and even after equipment installation, on-site adjustments were often needed to ensure line efficiency. So we thought that simulating the line setup during the customer's equipment planning stage would allow us to propose more efficient layouts. That's why we began evaluating Gemini. To better understand Gemini, we began by replicating the operation of our filling and capping machines. We consulted with Mitsubishi Electric's sales team and asked them to hold a multi-day seminar. Several of our engineers participated to learn together. Since we already had 3D models of the filling and capping machines, it served as a great starting example for using Gemini. Once we had a general idea of how to use Gemini, we laid out the equipment on the production line and tried simulating the transfer flow. When considering a packaging line, it is necessary to determine the layout of the equipment by taking into account the operating and stopping conditions of each device, as well as the conveyor transport speed. With Gemini, we were able to simulate on-site operations, starting and stopping each equipment at the right time to ensure containers kept moving and the entire line ran smoothly. By running these simulations, we were able to verify the optimal equipment layout and the conditions for the transport conveyor in advance. Being able to do this all virtually, without using the actual equipment, is a major advantage. We can now address things in the design stage, shortening the packaging line startup time. To share our efforts with customers, we exhibited a digital twin demo using Gemini at Japan Pack 2023. Visitors at the booth praised being able to see equipment's motion in 3D. We're now exploring Gemini as a proposal tool for improving customer sites and have high hopes for its potential. Our next challenge is to create an environment where anyone can easily use design data to run simulations. We're registering our commonly used mechanisms and parts in Gemini's catalog to streamline future layout work. By using Gemini, we can address various challenges earlier during the planning, concept, and design stages. That means not only less time on-site, but also shorter manufacturing lead times, which we believe brings real value to our customers. At Seiko, we'll continue delivering high-performance products to improve productivity and provide optimal solutions for each customer.